Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is ln of x to power of x is equal to ln of x to power of 2 to find the values of x. In the first step, in here we can write this as ln of x bracket to power of x, right? We can write this in this form, is equal to ln of x to power of 2. In next step, we take this to this side and it will be ln of x to power of x minus ln of x to power of 2 is equal to 0. And in next step in here, this is equals to ln of x to power of x over 1, right? So in next step, we multiply this numerator and denominator by ln of x to power of 2. So we write in here ln of x to power of x times ln of x to power of 2 over ln of x to power of 2, right? This equals to this and minus this ln of x to power of 2 is equal to 0. And in next step, we factor ln of x to power of 2. So it will be ln of x to power of 2 and this divided by ln of x to power of 2, it will be ln of x to power of x over ln of x to power of 2, and this divided by this, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. And here we have two solutions, ln of x to power of 2 is equals to 0, or ln of x to power of x over ln of x to power of 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. In here, ln of x is equal to 0, and from this formula, if we have ln of x is equal to x is equals to e to power of a. So in here, ln of x is equal to 0, so x is equal to e to power of 0, and x is equal to e to power of 0 is 1. So from here we have x is equal to 1. And in here, as you know, if we have a to power of m over a to power of n, we can write this as a to power of m minus n, right? So in here we have ln of x to power of x over ln of x to power of 2. We can write this as ln of x to power of x minus 2 and minus 1 is equal to 0. Next step, we take this negative 1 to this side and it will be ln of x to power of x minus 2 is equal to 1. So in here we have two solutions. Ln of x is equal to 1, or x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? In here, ln of x, if ln of x is equals to 1, it will be 1 to power of x minus 2. And as you know, 1 to power of any number, such as x minus 2 or a, is equals to 1, right? So in here, 1 to power of x minus 2 also is equals to 1. Or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So it will be ln of x to power of 0, and this is equal to 1, right? A to power of 0 is equals to 1, right? So in here we have two solutions, ln of x is equals to 1 or x minus 2 is equals to 0. In here, from this formula, x is equals to e to power of 1, and x is equals to e. This is our second answer. And from here we take this negative to this side, and x is equals to 2, and this is our third answer. So in here we have three answers for x. X is equals to 1, is equals to e, and equals to 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.